Hey guys, welcome to another tutorial. In this tutorial, we'll be seeing the fillet option. It is used to make smooth edges or smooth features along a solid feature. So first, let's start off by creating a solid feature. I'll first create a simple rectangle and extrude it. And now we can activate the fillet option. So let's start from the first one. This is a constant size fillet. So if I select any face, it fillets that uh, edges along that face to the specified radius over here, and we can select how many of our faces we want to fillet. And now if we press OK, all the faces have been filleted and it's been made into a smooth corners. So let's undo this and see the next option. This is a variable size fillet. So select the edge you want to give various fillet sizes, and now assign the radius. You can select these points and assign the radius. I'll give it as 3 and one more over here as 5, and the last one got deselected. Let's do it again. 1 and 3, and this one I'll give it as 5, and the last one as 10. So now the various sizes of the fillet have been given. You can adjust the number of points by increasing it over here. You'll get more points. I just kept it to 3 over here, and if I press OK, it has been applied to that various sizes of the fillet. And let's undo it again and select the next option. So this is the face fillet. So first select one and then the next one, so it fillets between those two faces, and you can adjust the radius over here and press OK. And the last one is full round fillet. So it takes in 3 phases. So first this, and the next one is this, and the last one is this. So as you can see, it's making this entire thing as a fillet and a smooth curve. So fillet is basically used to make smooth features on solid features. So hope this tutorial was helpful. If you have any doubts or requests, you can ask them in the comments. I'll address them. Thank you guys for watching. See you in the next one.